get yourself comfortable, grab your tea, because yes, we have a lot of tea to spill. I ain't got no tea, but I have some coffee. I think I probably need it. But anyway, before we get into our topic for today, consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button down below and ring my bell so you get notified every time I uploaded a new videos and you will see me again. And yes, so let's get into our topic. We're supposed to do like a double unboxing, but I decided to redirect my content because some unexpected issues happened. So I didn't able to sleep last night. But anyway, if you have watched my Mother's Day special video, I mentioned there that I did order the Rosalie coin purse, and yes, it did arrive yesterday, and man, I cannot believe it. This is the first time that happened to me. Let's just get right into it, like really fast. So I usually open my package when it arrives, because I just mentioned in my recent videos that I leave the boxes outside the house after I sanitize them. And yeah, to make a long story short, I received my package yesterday from Louis Vuitton, and I sprayed it with alcohol. That's what happened, so you can't really see anything in it. And to my surprise, while I'm opening it, this isn't the usual thing that happens to me. This is the very first time. So I open these boxes. So I supposed to be doing a double unboxing, as I have said, but it didn't happen. So let's just get right into it, and I'm gonna show you. This is exactly it came. I mean, I just kind of like peel the box off, and look guys, when I open it, it opened exactly like this. And tell me if you see something wrong with this, or am I just thinking crazy, or I'm just too picky. But the package arrived like this. Here's the bags. I'm pretty sure the item is there, and right in the bottom, and here's the receipt and all the papers that comes with it. I'm literally shaking because I cannot believe. Have you guys ever experienced receiving your item from the online order from Louis Vuitton, that all your paperwork comes like this? And literally, do you know what's wrong? Can you tell what's wrong with this package right here? Why I'm kind of have a dilemma in here. I mentioned on my previous video about Mother's Day special that I recently ordered a Rosalie coin purse to go along with my pochette métisse right behind me, and I am really excited. I'm going to insert a video of that. I'm gonna give you guys a minute to watch it. I also did order the Rosalie coin purse, and they actually offer a hat stamping right now, so I decided to put the initial of my 3 boys. Also have this limited edition Mother's Day special on the ribbons, so yes, I was excited. As you guys can tell, I'm really excited because when I saw it, I'm browsing in their website, it says there is Mother's Day special going on, that aside from they offer a hat stamping, and I think that is their norm right now, they also have, according to the website, they are the packages that you're going to order from last week. And I was assuming that's gonna be still going on before Mother's Day, that it comes with a limited edition Mother's Day ribbon. So I was really excited to see that. I am not supposed to get it, this particular item. I was gonna just wait because I just recently made a huge purchase, or we do. But then again, that Mother's Day special thingy that they have on their website, I'm not quite sure if you guys notice it. If any of you guys seen it, leave your comment down below. Let me know if I'm just hallucinating or anything, or I'm just being so picky. So it makes me jump into buying the particular item. It says, yeah, I get that. And what gets me is I've ordered multiple items in Louis Vuitton online. I'm actually looking at my order history right here, and it did comes all completely well packaged. There's a list. You if you guys ordered your items online, you know how it's supposed to look like, right? It's supposed to have like a ribbon right here. I'm shaking. It's not for the campaign. It's just the anticipation and the frustration all together. I just can't hold it down. So it's supposed to have like a blue ribbon right here. I am going to also attach a pictures because I did watch unboxing like in the same item in YouTube since it arrived yesterday. Since I actually opened it, and the moment I saw it, I was like, this is not right. And it's supposed to comes with a blue ribbon and a little bit tiny tag attached right here. And what also frustrate me or kind of like get my feelings hurt, aside from me being so excited, this particular item is really close to my heart because I even wrote a lengthy Mother's Day message. This particular item is specifically dedicated to my three boys. It's my Mother's Day gift that I bought for myself. So I really have a high hope that it will come like the way I expected to. So I did a hot stamping, and take note of that. It's not refundable. So far that's what the website said. And to tell you guys a little bit just back to my history order before, I also did purchase one of their item way back 2 years ago, and I did a lengthy message also, and it has something to do, I think it's a Mother's Day or a birthday or something like that. It's kind of like a special item too for me, but they came so well packaged. It feels so special because the message is in that little attached card right there. So that's the thing that I'm also expecting. Yes, it comes well packaged and everything, and I'm just gonna tell you, among of my luxury collection, I think I just realized right now that this particular item is the closest to my heart, aside from my husband's recent gift to me. It's because I literally pulled the trigger to put a stamping in it. I'm not a big fan of putting a hat stamping or my initial on any of my luxury items, because I just think it will take away the possibilities to resell it just in case I wanted to sell it in the future. So, and I also realized that this particular item, I'm going to be able to use them every day. Yes, before I'm going to open it, I'm just going to just let me talk. I will be a little chatty today. Just hear me out. And so aside from the promised ribbon, Mother's Day limited ribbon that they promised, it didn't came. And my heartfelt message right here, it just came out like this. And I can do it myself. I can print it. I can type it in my computer and print it and call it a day, right? But it's because it came from a big name. I have a high expectation that they would at least do a lot better. And let's just going to cut it through. I think you get what I'm trying to say. I'm going to show you the item. So I haven't seen it yet because I have to like sit for at least 30 minutes just staring at it yesterday because I cannot believe what I'm seeing. So just call me crazy, but it was just, I just cannot. If you're paying that much money, should be expecting more than that. So here we are. Okay, let's look at it all together. So it comes with this little dust bag. That's kind of cute. So here's a Rosalie Queen purse. And to tell you guys a little bit, this is the first SLG that I bought. I'm not really a big fan of SLG, but over time I kind of grew a love. But the more I look at it, the more I said I think I'm just gonna try to do that. And this is the first time I purchased an SLG online. That being said, because I really want to dedicate it to my three boys, some Mother's Day gift, little things like that. So let's open it. So I have the monogram and a, what do you call this? What's the inside of this thing? The fuchsia. So I have my computer right here. So this is the Rosalie coin purse monogram in a fuchsia inside. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. I have my boy's initial right here. That's its T and M. So my eldest, middle, and then my youngest. So that's why I said this is really special to me. So they come with this little thing right here, as usual, and here, and I think that's about it. Open up. Okay, the idea behind having it stamped with my boy's initial, it's because I can see it every day. I'm gonna use it every single day. Unlike my purses, you know how we switch up purses, wallets is like I barely switch up wallet. If this end up going to work out for me, this is gonna be the piece that will be with me all the time. So here you go. I'm gonna give you another look. And here's one thing I just find out just now before I started my video, that this I pay it, what's that, a week ago. I got it for $3.85. Where's my sticky note? Right here. Got it right here. I got it for $3.85. The hat stamping is for free, but with tax it's $20 and 22 cents on tax. It end up totaling of 405 and 22 cents. But tell you what, I just find out they went up on prices. Does anyone know? Does anybody notice it? A week before the Mother's Day, everything went up. It seems like all, don't quote me into it, but it seems like all their products went up on prices. I mean, I've been on social media, I've been on YouTube like almost 24/7, but I never heard anything that they're gonna go up on prices. Let me know. I may be wrong. I may be missed out when I may be missed it out when they announce it, or if somebody mentioned it while I'm taking a nap. Yeah, leave your comment down below. I'm really glad to hear from you guys. So now they are selling it for 400. If you guys can see it, it's $400 when it is only $3.85 a week ago, and they are not available online right now. I mean, do I have to call them and claim for my limited edition ribbon? I think that would be silly, but you know what? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do I need to claim them? Of course, this is not refundable, so there is no way I can return it. I don't really know what to do, and I don't want to return it either, considering they already went up on prices. So I think you guys see my frustration. I love the item. I just wish that I got everything that I've been hoping for. I'm definitely gonna keep it, and I will be right back to show you guys what fits in this particular item. I've seen a lot of you already have this item, but I'm still gonna do what fits for those who still going to consider to buy it. Yeah. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. And please do leave a comment down below if you have anything that you want to share with me. I just want to make sure I'm not thinking, I'm not thinking out of the box or out of context at all. And don't forget to subscribe and ring my bell. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.